The tubeless, dual-chamber system is like steroids for your tires, as it provides 100 psi of protection and stability at the rim where you need it, and massive low psi traction gains where you want it. Twice the traction, twice the protection.
Carson Brown is one of the up-and-comers over at Kawasaki's amateur race effort, and his father, Dwayne Brown, is the owner of BBR Motorsports. As with most of their unique and one-off builds, the Brown family likes to start from scratch and make things custom. This is the BBR KLX140. Dwayne and Carson started out their build by breaking everything down and starting around a foundation. BBR used their magic to make a hand-built, custom perimeter frame and subframe. Once the frame was completed, a hand-built gas tank and gas cap were made to fit inside the new chassis. In the suspension department, they decided to use Showa A-Kit custom forks and a Showa A-Kit shock, but had to do some massaging to fit it in the new design. BBR made custom triple clamps and custom linkage to accommodate the new suspension. Along with the suspension, they went ahead and hand-built the swing arm to a spec of their liking. Technically, a Kawasaki KLX140 engine was used, but BBR put their own twist on it by throwing one of their 170cc kits on, a BBR camshaft, rev box, some porting, and adding a 28mm Kean carburetor. Dwayne built a custom airbox and battery box for the KLX, along with a custom BBR air boot. Down by the feet, BBR made a custom brake pedal and used KX250F pegs. An arcade chain was added to the drivetrain, and Moto Stuff came in to help with the build by using their oversized rotor front and rear, as well as their hoses. To update the look of the bike, BBR used 2017 KX100 plastics and a KX100 seat. InStyle supplied their Team Green Kawasaki Monster Energy graphics, and at the controls, Renthal bars and grips were mounted along with Works connection levers and brake covers. To top off the build, Pro Wheel rims and custom hubs were added to the KLX. Wrapped around those wheels, of course, were Dunlop tires. To see more on this build and the latest news in the off-road industry, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com.